Namaste, dear students, and welcome in RSV Group of Schools online classes of science for class 7th. I am Anju Tiwari, your science teacher, is with you to discuss the sixth chapter, that is physical and chemical changes. The aim of this chapter is to study the difference between a physical and chemical change. Here on your screen, you are having a mind map with definitions, characteristic features, and examples of both physical and chemical changes. In this, rusting, galvanization, and crystallization is also with its definitions. Now, we see different types of changes every day in our surrounding, like growth of tree, rising of sun, setting of sun, different shape and size of moon, burning of coal, paper, wood, etc. are the examples of changes around us. Now we will talk about the physical and chemical properties. Physical properties. Shape, size, and state of substance are known as physical properties. For example, when a sheet of paper is folded, its shape changes, and this is an example of change in physical property. Now, chemical properties. The internal properties of a substance are known as chemical properties. For example, curd is the product of milk, but the internal properties of milk and curd are completely different. Now we will discuss about the two types of changes, and these are physical change and chemical change. First of all, we will discuss physical change with some examples. Change in which only physical properties of a substance change and no new substance is formed is called physical change. Most of the physical changes are reversible. That means we can get the substance back even after the change. For example, folding of paper sheet, tearing of paper sheet, melting of wax, melting of ice into water, and many more. Now, physical properties. Look at a coin in your pocket. It is made from a metal. You can tell it is made from a metal because it is shiny and maybe has a silvery color. Those two descriptions I gave it are called physical properties. A physical property is a characteristic that can be observed or measured without changing the composition. Characteristics of physical change. Only physical properties of a substance change. No new substance is formed in this change. Most of the physical changes are reversible. Grinding of sugar. With this example, we are showing the physical change. For this, we need some materials like mortar or and cube of sugar. For this, we need a procedure. Take the sugar, put the cube in the clean mortar, grind the cube and taste again. Then what will we observe? We observe the sweet taste of sugar does not change by grinding, but its shape changes into fine powder. For this, we conclude that grinding sugar is a physical change as the shape of sugar changes, but its structure and properties does not change. Another example is on your screen, that is melting of wax. For this, we need some materials like glass watch, matchstick and a candle. The procedure is fix candle on the glass and light the candle. Then what will we observe? We observe that the wax melts and changes into liquid drops. The liquid wax solidifies again. So we can conclude that melting wax changes its shape, but its structure does not change. So it is termed as a physical change. Chemical changes we will learn in our next adjoining video. Till then, goodbye and be safe.